name is Chloe. For those of you that haven't been here before, please hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And for those of you that don't know, I teach martial arts, fitness, yoga, and flexibility. So today's video is going to be an awesome video. I'm going to be comparing two of my favorite fitness apparel brands. The first being Sweaty Betty, which is a lot more high-end, quite pricey, but I just adore their clothing. And the next is a new brand I've come across recently called Yvette UK. Their clothing is a lot cheaper than Sweaty Betty, but does it match up on the quality of their products? Stay tuned to find out in today's video. So the first pair of leggings I've picked up are from Sweaty Betty. These are the Zero Gravity high-waisted running leggings. As you can see, they've got an awesome leopard print on them. They're like green and black, and I just love the print for sure. The material is quite lightweight. They have a zip in the back. I guess this is for change maybe. It's not quite big enough for an iPhone, so maybe an iPod if you're running along and you want music to listen to. They've also got the phone pocket in the side, which I find extremely helpful for when I'm training or running, just so that I haven't got to hold the phone in the hand. These price at £90, so they are quite expensive. However, I do know from using Sweaty Betty for many years now that they do hold their quality and shape over the years. So they are good value for money. Now the leggings I'm going to be comparing those with are the Shift high-waisted air hole running leggings. Now these are more basic in design. They don't have the pocket down the side, but they do have the air holes, which Sweaty Betty didn't, at the base of the calf. So they let more air flow through. They're also a lot more lightweight. So I think they'll be a lot more comfortable for running in or training in. These leggings are designed for high impact sports, hence the really soft fabric, really nice to wear and super comfortable. And they've also got, like the Sweaty Betty leggings, the high-waisted supported waist belt. Super comfortable to wear, and the soft fabric is to die for. These retail at £39, so it's half the price of the Sweaty Betty leggings. I've had these now for around 6 months, and the quality is just remained, and the shape of the leggings has remained. And I personally think that you might want to save your money and get 2 pairs of these for the same price as one of the Sweaty Betty. The next pair of leggings I have from Sweaty Betty are the Super Sculpt workout leggings. Again, the print on these are incredible. They're like a blue and orange beigey color. The fabric this time is super soft. It's a lot thicker than the Yvette, so it does keep you warmer. Maybe they're better for in autumn, winter. But again, Sweaty Betty hold their value, and I just love their clothing. The size I wear in Sweaty Betty is XS, so these are an extra small. Again, they're high-waisted. They've got a really supported waistband. They've got the phone pocket on the side, as the other pair did, and they have a mesh back on the back. Don't know if you can really see this that well. So, like the other Yvette pair, they do on this one make them more breathable. These usually retail for £85. However, they are on offer right now for £34. So if you want to grab yourself a bargain, head to Sweaty Betty immediately. I'm going to be comparing these with the Shift high-waisted air hole running leggings in coral red. This color is to die for. It's absolutely beautiful. And again, the material is so lightweight, and it's just super soft fabric. Again, it's high-waisted. It's got the really nice supportive waistband. As for the Sweaty Betty ones, this has got the breathable material all around the base of the calf, so it will help your skin to breathe more naturally and let the air flow nicer throughout the body. They've got a nice little logo on the back of the sweatband, as you can see right there. And again, these leggings I've had for around 6 to 8 months, and they're just amazing. They hold their shape, I've put them through the wash many times and the quality has remained. Just really, really nice pair of leggings. These retail for £39. So again, in comparison to Sweaty Betty, it's pretty much half price. The quality to me is just as good. The material is amazing. It's super soft on the skin, and I don't think you can go wrong. Next up from Sweaty Betty, I have the black Emboss everyday leggings. These have got a black animal print on them. Not sure if you can see this. There you go. So they've got a really nice black animal print fabric, which shines nice in the light. Super soft material this time. Really comfortable for everyday wear, like it says in the title of the leggings. These leggings aren't really high-waisted. They're more of a mid-range waist on them, so they don't come up as high as some of the other pairs. They're the 7/8 in length, which is a great length because you don't have to roll them up if they're too long at the bottom. It's got a nice little Sweaty Betty logo, quite minimal on the back of the calf. Other than that, they're pretty simple design, super soft fabric. I'm wearing size extra small, and these retail for £70. So they're slightly cheaper than the other leggings. A lot more simple design, no pockets. However, the material is super soft and you can wear it every day, and they are super comfortable too. The pair of leggings that I'm comparing them with from Yvette are the Sculpt side pocket mesh running leggings. Now, these are slightly thicker material than the other pairs from Yvette that I have. However, they've got a lot more going on. So they've got the side pocket here for the phone, which, like I said before, is to die for me. It's really helpful for when you're out running, so you don't have to hold your phone in your hand. They've actually got another pocket on the other side too. So there's two pockets. Maybe you can carry your keys if you've parked your car somewhere to run in a new location. They're high-waisted. They've got a really supportive waistband in them. And they've also got a really nice mesh design down the side of the leg, which make your skin a lot more breathable. The material is sweat wicking and quick drying, so it's perfect if you're getting sweaty on your runs and then you want to dry off quite quickly. In Yvette, I wear a size small in all of their leggings. They're a great fit, as you can see. And this pair here have a small little Yvette logo, nice and minimal on the back of the waistband. These retail for £32. So again, half the price of Sweaty Betty. They do the same job in my eyes, and just really comfortable to wear, to run in, to move in, and they look amazing on as well. So there you have it, guys. What did you think? In my personal opinion, I really think that we should check out more of these new brands, these up-and-coming brands, and give them a chance. Yvette UK, you've really surprised me. I absolutely adore your clothing. I definitely think it's up there with the likes of Sweaty Betty, Lululemon, Nike, Adidas, Reebok. The brand is super comfortable to wear, it fits well, it looks good, and it's awesome to train in. So definitely go and check them out. And like the likes of Sweaty Betty, they do have such a vast range of clothing and apparel. They have sports bras, leggings, tracksuit bottoms, shorts, jackets, jumpers, tops. They also have accessories, socks, and bags too. So I really recommend you checking them out and putting them up there with your favorite sports brands. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know I enjoyed making it for you, and I hope I've helped some of you that can't quite afford the likes of a whole Sweaty Betty wardrobe to go out there and get yourselves the likes of the Yvette UK, where the quality and the design is up there with the likes of Sweaty Betty, but the price is half the price. Take care, guys. If you haven't done already, hit subscribe. All the links to the Yvette UK clothing are in the description below, so please do go and check them out, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.